Do you know what gives the Jamaican patty its distinctive yellow color? It's not curry or turmeric, but a natural dye made from the seeds of a tropical tree. Annatto is a natural coloring and flavoring agent derived from the seeds of the achiote tree. These seeds are used to create a vibrant reddish-orange dye that is often used in various cuisines to add color to dishes and impart a mild, earthy flavor. Annatto seeds are commonly found in Latin American, Caribbean, and Asian cuisines. Contrary to popular belief, it is the annatto paste that is used to give the Jamaican patty its yellow color, rather than curry or turmeric. To create annatto paste, grind the seeds into a powder and then mix the powder with water. Next, incorporate the mixture into the flour and knead it into a dough. It's necessary to add a small amount of water to facilitate dough mixing. The traditional method of frying saltfish fritters, known as stamp and go among older Jamaicans, involves using annatto oil. You can watch the video to see the process. Thanks for watching.